Hi everyone! So today I am gonna show you, I just dyed my hair like recently, back to blonde after 8 long years. So right now I'm gonna show you how I do my beach wave curls using just a flat iron from Dyson. This is my favorite flat iron because it's just so smooth that when you curl your hair, it doesn't really like um, how do you call that? It doesn't really like stop in the middle when you do that or pull your hair. So now, okay, I'm just gonna just brush my hair because it looks so messy. This is called ash blonde. Apparently, I'm gonna go like a little bit darker, but I don't know. I guess this one works because I love it. But yeah, so what I do, I just right first, I chop half. So this bottom, I section it in two. Like that. Then, well, I already sprayed some heat protectant. You can use whatever you want, but like with my fingers. But yeah, that's how I curl it. Just twist it. This is cordless, by the way, see? That's why I love it, because I love traveling and it's such a hassle when I travel without my with a big ass what do you call that, curler, and then flat iron. This one you can use it while you're out. Just bring this. It's the first time that someone invented the cordless flat iron. Just so cool. It's so handy because I can just put it in my bag when I travel. See how it glides so I set it on low because there's three. See that? If you want it like low, medium, and high. So I guess I set it on super low. But it depends. I think this one, it's automatic. Like it gauges the temperature of your environment. It just automatically just to whatever it is. If I'm not content with the curl, if I want it more curly. Normally I just curl the bottom if I want it curly, and then just this one I just like leave it like that, so it's like half bun. But if you have time, then you can curl your whole hair like mine. So normally with me I part in the middle, but it depends on you where you part your hair. plugging your charger to your Apple laptop. It's like it can twist 360 and it's just like a magnetic thing. Voila! Then what I do, look at this. It has a stand, this one, where you just put it here like that when you're done. Isn't that so cool? And then it charges too, because you can just plug this charger here and it's charging while it's on stand. So it's pretty cool, huh? But of course, if you want to use it, then that's it. So put it there. It's okay, guys. Then after that, what I do, I just like go like that with my curl, make it loose, and then if there's like other ones like strands that you still want to curl, then you just curl it, but you just like go like that. And then that's it, guys. And that's how I curl my hair. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more beauty vlogs. And I also do like some cooking, like some recipes. And follow me on Instagram, Jacq_you. I have TikTok also, Jacq_you, and Facebook, Jacq_you. So au revoir, ladies. Bye.